Hey guys, so today I have a really quick gift guide for you. I was inspired because I went to CVS. It's not a sponsored video at all. I just love shopping at CVS. And I was filling a prescription for my son and then decided to go down the aisles and look around while they filled it. And I was surprised at these gift sets. I feel like I never look in their gift set section. I don't know. I always just assume that they would be more expensive than going other places. And usually I don't really get that many gift sets for people unless it's skincare, which I did get one skincare one. But what I was most surprised by was the Wet n Wild gift sets. And for all of you that don't really like Wet n Wild, then this video is not for you. But if you do like it, I feel like these sets would be great for any beginner makeup users out there, teenagers, or just like as a filler gift for a lot of people, like women in your life. Teacher gifts as well, especially for like face masks. But I just grabbed the ones that I thought were super adorable, that I've tried some of the products before, so I can kind of gauge if it would be worth it or not. And then just the price, $4.99 in general. If you're on a budget and you just want to give to everyone you possibly can, or I don't know, if you're on a tight budget, I have been there many a time and I've wanted to get friends things. As I've gotten older, it's been a little bit easier, but I remember way back in the day looking for something cute that I can give my friends to show how much I love and appreciate them. And so, you know, you gotta work with what you got. So I just wanted to give you an affordable, like super affordable gift guide really fast. So the first thing I want to show you is this Freeman Magic of Masking Multi-Mask 6-piece kit. It has this cute Christmas tree motif and then all the masks look like little ornaments. Of course, it's adorable, and I feel like it's just a really cute gift in general, especially a cute teacher gift. I really think so. So, you know, I'm all about this because I love skincare. So what it includes is this brightening green tree and orange blossom peel off gel mask, a hydrating glacier water and pink peony gel cream mask, detoxifying charcoal and black sugar mud mask, polishing charcoal and black sugar gel mask and scrub, soothing watermelon and aloe cooling gel mask, and a clearing sweet tea and lemon peel off clay mask here. Again, super duper cute. I'm in love with it. And for $4.99, I think it's a great gift because, you know, I stay buying them for myself. So even for myself, I would buy this, to be honest with you, because it's such a great price. And you get 6 masks for the $5 price. So it is a good deal because usually they're $1. So you do save money that way. Now to the Wet n Wild ones that I'm excited about. This one I thought was super duper duper cute, especially for teenagers that aren't allowed to experiment with so much makeup, but you let them wear mascara, you know? I think this would be adorable. It's the Wet n Wild Mini Mascara Collection. It includes 5 mini mascaras to try out. There is their Mini Max Volume Plus Mascara, their Mini Mega Length Mascara, Mini Mega Protein Mascara, Mini Mega Volume Mascara, and their Mini Mega Volume Waterproof Mascara, which is the one on the end. So I read it from right to left. But these are super adorable. Again, I feel like any teenager would love this, or anyone who wears Wet n Wild mascara in general. It's just super duper cute, and you can take them out and then like mix and match and add to them, like put one in each stocking if you have multiple girls to shop for. I think it's adorable and a good price because it makes them $1, and they're definitely not $1 a piece. So just letting you know. Then they had this Wet n Wild EYEMERGENCY kit, and it has 2 Color Icon single shadows, a Wet n Wild On Edge Longwear eyeliner, and a Wet n Wild Mega Slim Skinny mascara. I haven't tried the mascara at all, but this On Edge Longwear eyeliner I have in my travel makeup bag because it's inexpensive, but it's pigmented, it packs a punch, it's long wearing. It doesn't really it's never let me down, to be honest with you. And if I were to lose it in my purse or wherever I go, it would be easy to repurchase, which is why I have it in there. So I really do like it, and when I saw that in the set, I thought that was really cute. But I am interested in this packaging because I don't think I've even seen this one in store at all. So I do want to try that because it's a thinner, yeah, Mega Slim mascara, and I always need that for the bottom lash line. So I do want to try that out. I haven't tried their glitter eyeshadows in this packaging. I've tried the ones they like give out for Halloween time, and those aren't my favorite, but I don't know. I feel like it would be fun, especially for a teenager to try out and experiment with. But this is a universal color, this taupe color, and I do have multiple of this and like a shade that you'll see in another gift set here that I do like and that are pigmented and work well. So I thought that this was still really, really cute. I do love the packaging. I forgot to say that in the last one, this green like gems and red gems. Super duper cute and a good value. Next up, I have this Wet n Wild Glam Essentials kit. It has a Mega Last lipstick, Perfect Pout Gel Lip Liner, and a Mega Wear Mascara. Now this is only 3 products. I'm not sure, I guess because of the prices, but I will say that I do have this lipstick. Actually, I have all 3 of them, to be honest with you. The lipstick and the lip liner work really well. Really, really well. This mascara is decent. Like it's not bad. It really does work. There are better options out there, I will say. But again, for experimentation purposes, I feel like it's fun and it's a cute kit together. And again, I don't know. I feel like I would use this more as a stocking stuffer, but the lippies are really cute. So again, good option, because I know that this is like $1.99. This one might be 99 cents. This is the nicer one though, so it's probably 2 for $7 and you're getting it for $4.99, so still a good deal. I feel like you at least save $2 on all of these kits. And then there's this Wet n Wild Lasting Glam set. It has 2 Color Icon shadow single shadows, a Mega Slick Balm Stain, and another Mega Wear Mascara. They have so many mascaras, I don't know why they keep including just this one mascara in it. I guess because it's green and it goes with the red and green theme. And so I get that they were going with that for this Balm Stain. I know it's not like super duper red. It just is like a more berry tone kind of stained effect. If you don't have a problem with it, I think it's super duper cute. This shade right here, is it saying what shade it is on the back? Because I feel like they're not listing the actual shadow colors on the front of here. Not at all. I mean, I have Cheeky is the one on the bottom, which I've actually never used, but I have used similar shades to this by Wet n Wild, and it's really nice. I want to say that this is Creme Brulee up top, and I hope it is, because that's a really good one. But I'm pretty sure it looks a lot like Creme Brulee, or a little bit slightly lighter, which is what makes me think it's not, because Creme Brulee is a little bit creamier. But this is great to set your eye primer with, so that's why I was just wondering about it. But I think this is another cute little gift set. And so I was really surprised with these. Like, how adorable. Even, like, gifting them all together. Maybe not 2 mascaras, but, like, this together. How cute would that be? Just getting that. $10. And someone is going to get new products to try. Really cute within budget. I just know that I have people watching that are on a budget, and I just want you to know that you don't have to spend like $50 on a gift set to give someone a meaningful gift. Okay, and so last but not least, aside from the gift sets, I wanted to show you what I did grab, you know, while I was at CVS, and it was just Wet n Wild products because they were all on clearance, which I think is super crazy. It makes me feel like there's a new launch coming, which probably after Christmas, you know, they do all those extreme new launches, and they've had regular consistent launches. Like Wet n Wild has been killing it with their launches, but I am so shocked that these specific items were like $1.75, $1.99. Like, it was crazy to me to see that price, and even one for $3. So this guy was $1.75, the Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS pressed powder, and I actually never tried this one, so I just grabbed it because it was $1.75. And if they repackage it, which is kind of what happened last time, that'll be the same product, but a lot of people did like this, so I figured I would try it. Okay, next up was something that, since it was on clearance, and I was like, I don't want to live without this because I already own it. It's just a different version because they renamed them. Was this Wet n Wild AO 66 I'll Have a Cosmo True Reflect Shimmer Palette. It is a highlighter and it is beautiful. I actually have it on right now because I use this a ton. And to show you that I use it a ton, this is the one I actually have. Like, the cap broke off and everything. It's very old, so I shouldn't have used it. I'm embarrassed saying that, but I loved it that much and I just wanted to use it up. I'm very sentimental that way. but this is actually how old it is. It's the Wet n Wild Fergie Centerstage collection, and it was called Rose Champagne Glow at the time. So the name has changed and everything. The packaging has stayed the same, but since it was so inexpensive, I just wanted to recommend this to you guys highly. And because it was also on sale, I got it in the shade SAND-GRIA Castles, which I've never tried, but I do like rose gold highlighters right now, so I figured this one may be too dark, and if it is, that's fine, but if it isn't, then it'll work. And I figured for the price I could test that out. They also had these, well, just this specific blush I think on sale, or maybe it was all of them, but I feel like the tag was under this specific one, so I grabbed it. It's the Keep It Peachy Wet n Wild Color Icon Blush, and it's just a shade that I didn't have. I have a whole bunch of different ones that I use of these, and they're really good blushes, so I grabbed it. And then I grabbed this just on impulse because, again, it was like $2.99, $3, something like that. And I do love this foundation. It does smell like paint thinner. I've seen that a million times, but it's the Wet n Wild PHOTOFOCUS foundation in Buff Bisque. And since I already used up mine, and I was like, oh, I have so many foundations, I don't really need it, so I haven't repurchased it. Then I saw the price and was like, this is a really good, inexpensive option. So I'd like to have one more bottle of it, you know? Nostalgia in me, I don't know what it is, but I had to have it. That's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it gave you some ideas if you are on a tight budget, because some people have big families. I have a big family, and it's hard to remember to buy something for everybody, and you try your best to just show your appreciation, like I said before, but that's what matters, is just showing that you thought about them. And so, yeah. Hope it was informative, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye!